So in this part of the video, I will show you every tool that I use to create the video, AI video Nike commercial. First, we go to ChatGPT and just type in, yeah, what kind of title do you want in the video or the prompt? You might as well have that. And when everything is perfect, you use the prompt and you go to another tool. It's called Google Imagen Whisk. Just make sure that the prompt is perfect for you, and otherwise, yeah, you might not be happy with the outcome, and you can always adjust it. Then you go to Google Imagen Whisk, and I already had one extra image saved up here. So once you type in the prompt here, it will generate these images. Before recording, I already had these two downloaded, and look at the quality. It's like very good. It's very clean. You can even see the light flares in the background. It's perfect. So what you do then is you go to animate, and you can basically generate your video here. Be mindful of the credits because you get like when you're using it freely and you don't have a subscription yet, they give you like 10 credits to generate the video. Otherwise, you have to take a subscription. The first month is always free, and then the upcoming month after is $20. Also, this application, Google Imagine Whisk, is not available yet in Holland. So make sure that you use a VPN if you want to use it. It's already in the US. Lucky them. So once you have your images, you have your video that you want to have. I already did a video, so I'm going to go to my library to show it to you. I go to videos. So let's see. I don't know if I have something here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, look how this looks. So the picture that I had, it created a video already. So yeah, it's crazy. So I have the video already made. I just show you the process. And so the next step, what I do is I go to get my voiceover, like a narrator for the video. And what I did is I went to a program that I always use to create AI agents. And I basically converted the MP4 to an MP3. And I go here. This is if when you use Jog AI, it's called. Maybe I can show you this better. So this is what it looks like. Jog AI. Well, I'm going to my projects. So what you do then, if you want to take the voiceover from one of your videos, yes. Still loading. Yeah, you go here. And what I do is I choose the gender that I want, male, female. You can even have neutral, whatever that means. Which language, accent, and the age. So for the one I had, I chose a middle-aged person or voice, which is usually fine if you want to do like a commercial or something like that. And once you have that, you have the voiceover. Yeah, you first start with the prompt. You have your images, you have your video, you have the voiceover, Then you can start editing. For this particular commercial, I did everything in Canva. And to show you what that looks like, the end result, I'm gonna show you. So you have like the video, you have the images, and then what you do is you go here, and then yeah, you can see the end result of the video. Yeah, just to give you an idea what it looks like, it's never perfect. You can always use improvement, but it's very cool to use these tools and what is available out there with AI. So hopefully you'll enjoy it.
Most people hit snooze. You hit the ground running. Every second you move is a second they waste. Time doesn't wait, but neither do you. No crowds, no cameras, just you and the grind. Because greatness doesn't happen later, it happens now.
So yeah, that was the video, and yeah, hopefully you'll enjoy this even more. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, see you next time. Bye. Oh yeah, and don't forget, if you want to visit my website, davidvanries.com. There's a lot of information about AI if you're interested in integrating AI into your business potentially. Then just go to the website, and I'll share the link down below. All right. See you next time. Bye.